Have you ever wondered what it would be like to meet a real-life alien? What if I told you they're not in some distant galaxy, but right here, in the depths of our own oceans? No, I'm not talking about little green men, but about a creature so bizarre, so intelligent, and so otherworldly, it might as well have come from another planet. I'm talking about the octopus. For centuries, these eight-armed wonders have captivated and mystified us. They are the stuff of legends, from the mythical kraken dragging ships to the depths, to tales of tentacled sea monsters. But the reality of the octopus is far more fascinating than any fiction. These animals are true masters of their domain, possessing abilities that seem to defy the very laws of nature. And today, we're diving deep to uncover the secrets of their most incredible superpower, their unparalleled mastery of disguise. Forget everything you think you know about camouflage. The octopus takes it to a level that is simply mind-blowing. We're not just talking about changing color. We're talking about an animal that can transform its appearance, its texture, and even its shape in the blink of an eye. It's a shapeshifter, a living, breathing special effect that puts Hollywood CGI to shame. In less than 0.3 of a second, an octopus can go from being a conspicuous, vibrant creature to completely vanishing into its surroundings. How on earth do they do it? The secret lies in their skin. It's not just skin. It's a dynamic, interactive canvas of biological wizardry. Embedded within this skin are millions of tiny, specialized cells called chromatophores. Think of each chromatophore as a tiny balloon filled with pigment: black, brown, red, yellow, or orange. These balloons are surrounded by minuscule muscles. When the octopus's brain sends a signal, these muscles contract or relax, stretching or shrinking the pigment sacs. When the sacs are stretched open, the color becomes visible. When they relax, the color disappears. Now imagine millions of these cells working in perfect harmony, controlled with pinpoint precision. The result is an astonishing ability to paint complex patterns and colors across their entire body instantaneously. It's like having a high-definition, biological television screen for skin. But changing color is only part of the story. If you're trying to look like a lumpy rock, being smooth isn't going to cut it. This is where the octopus reveals another layer of its genius. They can also control the physical texture of their skin. Using another set of specialized muscles, they can create bumps, spikes, and ridges, perfectly matching the texture of their environment. They can become as rough as a coral reef, or as smooth as a sandy seabed. An octopus can be hiding right in front of you, and you'd swim right past it, convinced you were just looking at a pile of algae-covered stones. This combination of color and texture control makes their camouflage practically flawless. So, why go to all this trouble? In the ocean, life is a constant game of eat or be eaten. For a soft-bodied creature like the octopus, with no shell or sharp spines for protection, being invisible is the ultimate survival strategy. Their camouflage is their primary defense against predators like sharks, dolphins, and eels. A predator can't eat what it can't see. By blending in, the octopus becomes a ghost, a phantom of the reef, eluding danger with an artistry that is simply breathtaking. But their disguises aren't just for hiding. The octopus is also a formidable predator, and its camouflage is a crucial hunting tool. It allows them to become the perfect ambush hunter. An octopus can settle on the seafloor, mimic a piece of coral or a clump of seaweed, and wait patiently for an unsuspecting crab or fish to wander by. When the prey gets close enough, the octopus springs its trap, its arms shooting out to snatch its meal. It's a deadly combination of patience and deception. The prey never even knew what hit it. One of the most incredible examples of this is the mimic octopus, found in the waters of Southeast Asia. This species has taken camouflage to a whole new level. It doesn't just blend in with the background. It actively impersonates other marine animals. To deter predators, it might contort its body to look like a venomous lionfish, complete with striped patterns and spines. If it's moving across the open sand, it might flatten its body and ripple along the bottom, perfectly imitating a flounder. It's even been observed tucking 6 of its arms into a burrow and waving the other 2, mimicking the appearance of a banded sea snake, a creature most predators know to avoid. This isn't just camouflage, it's active, intelligent impersonation, a form of mimicry so advanced it seems almost conscious. It's like a master actor, choosing the perfect role for every situation. This incredible ability raises some profound questions. How does an octopus know what a rock or a piece of coral looks like? How does it replicate those patterns so perfectly on its own skin? We know their eyesight is excellent, but here's a mind-bending fact. Octopuses are colorblind. That's right. The absolute masters of color camouflage cannot see color themselves. So how do they do it? Scientists are still trying to figure that out completely. One leading theory suggests that their skin itself might be able to see or detect light. They have light-sensitive proteins called opsins, the same kind found in eyes, distributed throughout their skin. This could mean their skin acts as a massive, distributed light sensor, allowing them to match their surroundings, without their brain ever processing the color information. It's a decentralized system of perception and reaction, a concept that is truly alien to how we vertebrates experience the world. Think about the intelligence required for this. An octopus doesn't just randomly flash colors. It assesses its environment, considers potential threats or prey, and makes a calculated decision about what to become. It remembers successful disguises and learns from its mistakes. This is not a simple reflex. It's a display of a complex problem-solving mind. In laboratory settings, they've been observed solving puzzles, navigating mazes, and even showing signs of distinct personalities. Some are bold and curious, while others are shy and reserved. Their intelligence, coupled with their physical abilities, makes them one of the most sophisticated animals on the planet. Their unique physiology sets them apart even further. They have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood through the gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin to transport oxygen, instead of the iron-based hemoglobin we have. And of course, there are the arms. Each of their 8 arms contains its own cluster of neurons, like a mini-brain. This means the arms can act independently, tasting, touching, and moving on their own, while the central brain focuses on the bigger picture. It's a distributed intelligence network that allows for incredible multitasking, from their otherworldly biology to their mind-bending intelligence and their unparalleled camouflage. The octopus challenges our very definition of what life can be. They are a living testament to the endless creativity of evolution. They show us that there are other ways to be intelligent, other ways to perceive the world, and other ways to exist. They are not monsters of the deep, but marvels of nature, a glimpse into an alien intelligence that shares our world. The next time you look at the ocean, remember what lies beneath the surface. It's a world of wonder, mystery, and creatures so strange and beautiful. They remind us that the greatest secrets of the universe might not be in the stars, but right here, in the blue heart of our own planet. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into the world of the octopus. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the amazing world of nature. Let me know in the comments what animal you'd like to see us cover next. Until then, stay curious.